As you guys know, I'm back home now, finally back home with my family and dog. And of course, I've been researching stuff the whole time I was gone. I put a video out there while I was gone about what shifter should I get. Should I went with the hearse or the Barton? But after researching and doing a bunch of watching a bunch of videos and stuff like that, I came up, well, I decided to go with the Barton shifter. I just like the way it looks better, and I also went with a regular style shift knob over the pistol grip. So I'm going to do a little unboxing video here, my first unboxing video of the shifter and how everything looks. This is the box. I got it from Barton Industries. Nice, neat. It's pretty heavy. Well, it says 4 pounds, not that heavy, but go ahead and open it up. Look like it has some staples in there too to keep it in. These some heavy duty staplers. They're staples. Everything comes nice and wrapped up. Woo. Nice and beefy. Made in the USA. Go ahead and take that off. Put it like this. That's the big mechanism. Pretty beefy. Aluminum. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Be careful not to scratch anything on the inside. So I had, with the flat stick, I had ordered the Barton black. It's supposed to be white. I can't tell. Looks silver to me, but it's supposed to be white. See what's in this next package. Just go ahead and lay out all the pieces. So within the next couple of days, I should be, this is the white shift knob that came with it, but I'm going to change that. I bought a Dawg carbon fiber shift knob, which I think looks pretty slick. There's that. Another piece. Hardware. The rubber grommet. A little bit of instructions. And 2 Barton stickers. And I think that's about it for the shifter. I ordered this shift knob from Dawg shift knobs. They are licensed Mopar. So here it is. Nice carbon fiber with the SRT logo. I think it's going to look pretty slick once I put the adapter piece on here. Have that on there. Ooh. Gonna look pretty slick compared to, they're both nice. This one's a little bit heavier. They have the same feel. Numbers are bigger as a carbon fiber, as the SRT has a Hellcat on there. It also comes with the adapter piece to make you to be able to screw it onto the Barton shifter, and then this shifts into here, and then it has the nut to stop it. And then also with Speed Dawg, got a sticker. I like stickers, put sticker everywhere. And then these are their assorted shift knobs that they have from Mopar. Get a chance, check them out. They're not paying me for it or anything. I just doing my research and I found it online and I like how they look. I said it's pretty slick. In the next couple of days should be doing a video putting the shifter and everything in. And once again, thanks for the help for everybody that I polled for either to go with the Barton or the Hearst. I think I made a good decision. I've read nothing but good things about the Barton. Thanks for watching the videos. Please share, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned. I have a bunch more stuff coming in. Have some more install videos. Thank you. Peace.